Hi, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about side window deflectors, what they are, why you need them, and what separates ours from the rest. So let's say that I'm in my vehicle and I need to crack the window open a little bit just to clear the fog or let in some fresh air. Well, the moment I do, rain is going to start sprinkling in the car, getting on my armrest, on the cabin controls, and it's going to get my leather seats all wet. This is exactly why side window deflectors, more commonly known as rain guards, are a very smart investment for your vehicle. As the name suggests, they deflect the elements away from your open window, so you can enjoy some fresh air in any climate, rain or shine. These rain guards create somewhat of a visor effect that for some may help reduce glare while driving. Also, they can obscure a cracked window on a parked vehicle. If you're somebody who doesn't like overtaxing your AC, or maybe your AC doesn't even work that well, side window deflectors help you better control your vehicle's interior temperatures by letting the fresh air do all of the cooling. And if you happen to smoke or vape, side window deflectors help circulate that fresh air. Now, if you're convinced the side window deflectors are right for you, let me explain what separates ours from the rest. First, WeatherTech deflectors use an in-channel design, which means they fit securely inside your window channel rather than using adhesive exterior tape like inferior alternatives. Every single WeatherTech deflector is custom fitted to your exact year, make, and model, unlike universal one-size-fits-all solutions that never really fit. These are precision engineered to follow your window's exact contours, ensuring the perfect fit and maximum effectiveness. The design of WeatherTech side window deflectors is sleek and aerodynamic, complementing your vehicle's aesthetic without looking like an afterthought. Our customers say they're so seamless as if they were originally factory-installed parts. WeatherTech deflectors are incredibly durable. While others might chip, scratch, or snap, ours hold their shape and pristine finish. They also never melt or warp, even in extreme temperatures. They're constructed from shatter-resistant material that handles everything the road can throw at them. Our side window deflectors come in a dark tint, and for some applications are available in matte black as well. And if that's not enough, WeatherTech side window deflectors are made right here in the USA, and that comes with the promise of quality and craftsmanship that you can trust, so you do not have to settle for those low-quality imported products. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.